Hey guys, Kimmy's watching this. This is part 2 because it ran over 20 minutes. I wasn't that organised. So if you're just watching this, this is Kimmy cooking for Kimmy. So that's French toast, not fairy bread, which I called it on the earlier one because I don't know what I'm doing. This is some nice Tommies. Oh yeah, look at that. Oh yeah, yeah. Oh, this one's starting to lose its form. Oh yeah, baby. This can go back on just a little bit. Oh, there's our toast. So darken up, Kimmy. A little bit more. She likes it dark. I'm thinking when I open this, something's going to fall. No? Could you hear that bang? I heard a bang. But then again, I don't know what I'm doing. Alright, so where's our spoon we've been using? What's going on, boo? These are my little ham sticks. Looking alright. This one needs a bit more, doesn't it? Even it up. Put these to the side. What do you think? French toast. French toast. This one could do a bit more. But this tomato's ready to roll. Oh, oh, that's too long. Kimmy!
Yes, darling.
I overcooked your toast. You like it like that, though. You do. This is how I, even though there's a thing there, I don't know what I'm doing. That's on the wrong one. Let's use a knife, go. Be grown up. Yeah, I know, like cheese. What are you going to do? I know, I'm bad. And where did I put that? Where did I put that? I didn't put it anywhere. And this is it, basically. I'm going to cut that other one in half. I might as well do it while it's there. And me and Kimmy will share that, I think. I know I shouldn't cut on the Teflon. I'll probably get cancer and die, but I don't care. Alright, let's take this into my lovely lady. And this is our lovely brekkie.
Thank you, my love. Wow. Ooh, I love my toast.
You love your toast toasting. Alright, so that's Cooking with Kimmy on Monday. Alright, bye.